Hi lovely people, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to cook Bambara beans. Yes, Bambara beans is so nutritious and it also tastes delicious. The cooking time actually takes long, but it's worth it. When you finish you really enjoy it. So this is our Bambara beans. I have two different types of Bambara beans. Please let me know if you are familiar with both types. I'll be mixing these two to cook. So the first thing I need to do is to select the bad ones, which I've already done. I've selected the bad ones out and I've also taken out the stones. So now I'm going to mix these two and I'll go ahead and wash it very well. In my previous video on how to prepare Bambara beans, I soaked the Bambara beans overnight. But in today's video, I will not be soaking it. I'm cooking it right away. So guys, I've always loved Bambara beans right from when I was in primary school. I have an aunt who used to sell Bambara beans when I was in primary school, so I would always go to her during break time to get some Bambara beans. I'm so glad that I can now prepare this for myself and others as well. Right now we are setting the fire. Please help us like this video and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Remember to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. The fire is ready, so we place our pot on it and then we transfer our washed Bambara beans into the pot. Then we'll go ahead and add enough water. So we'll be adding the water from time to time as the need arises. Bambara beans is very common in the Upper East region of Ghana and it's consumed by most people from here. After about 45 minutes, we are checking on our Bambara beans. We can see that the water level has reduced. There's no water on top of the Bambara beans. So we are making progress. Right now, it has become a bit soft, but it's nowhere near cooked. So we'll still add more water and allow it to continue cooking. After we've added the water to the Bambara beans, we realized that we needed to add more charcoal to it. So we are going to add more charcoal to the fire and then we'll place our Bambara beans back on it. Checking on our Bambara beans once again because we need to check this from time to time. So right now our Bambara beans is almost cooked, but it's still not well cooked. So as I've checked, it's soft but it's not well cooked. So I'll go ahead at this point and add salt to it. Some people prefer not to add salt, but I prefer to add salt to it at this point. So if you choose not to add salt, you can leave it like that, but I'll be adding salt at this point and then I'll go ahead and add water to it and allow it to continue cooking until it is ready. After adding the water, our Bambara beans is now boiling beautifully. We'll allow it to continue cooking like this until there is no more water in it. So as soon as we see that there is no water in it, we are not going to add water again. It means our Bambara beans is ready. So look at this. Our Bambara beans is ready and it looks so colorful. because we use two different colors of Bambara beans, so it looks so colorful and delicious. I know there are people who do not like Bambara beans because some of them usually have stomach problems when they take it, but personally I love Bambara beans. So I would like to know in the comment section, do you love Bambara beans or does it worry you when you take it? Let me know in the comment section. So we are now going to prepare our oil. We are going to fry some onions in this oil until the onion turns brown, and then we'll use it to consume our Bambara beans. So it's now time for us to serve our Bambara beans. Here we have our powdered salt and pepper. So we are going to sprinkle it on our Bambara beans, then we'll top it up with the oil. So we took about 3 to 4 hours to prepare this on charcoal. So you see that it really takes long, but for you to reduce the cooking time, you can soak the beans overnight and then you cook it the next day. I have a video where I soak the beans overnight before cooking, so if you are interested in it, I'll leave a link to it in the description below so that you can check it out. Thanks so much for watching. If you have watched this point and haven't subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment below in the comment section to let us know what you think about this meal. So let's continue with our serving.